Hey, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the best purchasing decisions without breaking the bank. Or your sanity. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a showdown between two titans. The QIDI MAX3 on the left and the QIDI Q1 Pro on the right. Let's see which one will print its way into your heart and which one might just get scrapped. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, money. The QIDI MAX3 comes in at a whopping $1,099. That's right, folks. If you have a rich uncle or a secret stash of gold coins, this might be the printer for you. Meanwhile, the QIDI Q1 Pro is a bit more wallet-friendly at $699. So if you don't want to sell your kidney on the black market, the Q1 Pro might be your go-to. But remember, folks, with great price comes great responsibility, and maybe a few less features. Now, let's talk speed. Both of these bad boys boast a maximum speed of 600 millimeters per second and 20,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. It's like having a Ferrari on your desk, minus the need for a driver's license. But the Max3 takes it up a notch with its massive 315 millimeters printing size. It's like the Hulk of 3D printers. Meanwhile, the Q1 Pro is no slouch with its Core XY system and dual Z-axis motors. It's like the Flash, fast and precise. Reviewers love the Max3 for its impressive size and the Q1 Pro for its precision and speed. So do you want Hulk or Flash? Decisions. Stability and durability, because nobody likes a wobbly print. The Max3 flaunts an ultra-stable all-metal frame, a 6mm thick aluminum heatbed plate, and 10mm hardened hollow steel linear shafts. It's built like a tank. You could probably use it as a dumbbell in your home gym. The Q1 Pro, on the other hand, has a dual Z-axis and a lightweight Core XY system. It's stable, but maybe not tank stable, more like a really reliable sedan. Reviewers appreciate the Max3's robust build and the Q1 Pro's reliable performance. So are you Team Tank or Team Sedan? Material compatibility. Because variety is the spice of life. The Max3 can handle everything from standard PLA to high-performance filaments like PA12CF and ABS-GF. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. The Q1 Pro isn't far behind, with compatibility for PLA, PETG, TPU, and even carbon fiber. It's like the MacGyver of 3D printers. Reviewers have praised the Max3 for its versatility, while the Q1 Pro is noted for its impressive range of compatible materials. So do you want a Swiss Army knife or MacGyver on your team? Either way, you're in for some versatile printing fun. Last but not least, ease of use and those sweet extras. The Max3 comes fully assembled and auto-leveling, with an enclosed chamber heating system and dual cooling fans. It's like the butler you never had, always ready to serve. The Q1 Pro, on the other hand, boasts full auto calibration, filament smart detection, and even a 1080p HD camera for real-time monitoring. It's like having a personal assistant and a security camera rolled into one. Reviewers love the Max3 for its user-friendly experience and the Q1 Pro for its advanced features. Butler or personal assistant? Who do you want in your corner? Reviewers have praised the QIDI MAX3 for its impressive build quality, large print size, and versatile material compatibility, though some minor issues with the interface and lighting were noted. Meanwhile, the The QIDI Q1 Pro is lauded for its precision, ease of use, and advanced features, with some criticisms about software and spool holder location. Both printers are highly recommended by users, catering to different needs and preferences. Well, there you have it, folks. The QIDI MAX3, the Hulk Tank Butler combo, and the QIDI Q1 Pro, the Flash Sedan Personal Assistant Hybrid. Both have their strengths, and both have their quirks. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buying tips. Until next time, stay smart and keep printing those dreams. Product links are in the description.